Alright guys, we have Alieno here by Acrobatics. This is a really weird instrument right here, and if you go look it up on a surface level here, you'll find some kind of mixed reviews of this old instrument. This thing is super old. Again, it's another 32-bit VST that I have converted over with JBridge. You can check out that video on how to get your 32 VSTs working in your 64-bit DAW. But we were talking about Alieno, and I like it. I'm confused by it. I can't explain it very well, but I think I can help get you in the right direction here. So let's take a look at this thing here. So this aftertouch is over here. Let's take a look. MIDI. Okay, so play mode, retrigger. Velocity's off. Aftertouch is to vibrato. Okay. Velocities to some audio. Here's some ways to make it look a little bit different here. So we have the ship style classic, modern background, nebula, planet, GUI effects on. Yeah, I think so. It's kind of get a feedback of your aftertouch and stuff like that. Kind of neat, you know. Okay, so we've got these little pieces, these nodules here that we can touch and change the generators. So brilliance. So can I just turn these off? Let's turn that one. Turn that one back off. Should have like the most basic. Turn this one back off. I like to go like to a basic kind of a thing here. That's what I feel like I have almost here now, right? Nope, not this button. Let's turn that one back off. And let's turn... Can we turn this off? Is there... That seems to be as basic as it gets right there, right? Just one generator on here. And... No, I have a sine wave triangle. It's hard to figure out what else is on this thing here. I really like that. I really do. All right, so let's keep on playing with this. So let's hit the next generator here. Mod depth, cycle start, amp attack, amp release, cycle extension. Okay. Hey, let's try to. I mean, you've got a kind of an understanding here. So I busted it down to one basic generator. It seemed like what I've done here. I think it's the most understanding I've had of it. I think the rest of it has just been like throwing darts at a dartboard, and trying to get lucky, which is a fun thing to have and a fun thing to do. But if you have a more fundamental understanding of this thing, I believe you could probably get some very specific results. But I usually have things for that exact type of thing that I'm looking for, and I like to just play around with stuff. So let's go through some of these presets here and just play around here with what they've got to offer us, so we can kind of see what's going on in here. Now, this is like another one that's just got one of the generators on. We also see like we have some more options up over here too. I don't know if there was a button for that, or did I miss that out of the last one? Not quite sure. You know, for something that was back then, and I mean, I've got like Roland's SH 2000. It had aftertouch. That was like 1978. So I was about to be like wowed at this thing for having it, but it was nothing new by here. But still kind of impressive. It's the first time I had kind of seen it, because I didn't have my Roland SH by then. Yeah, that's rich. Anyway, we'll do one more here. Definitely good for getting odd sounds. Might even just, it'd be really cool to have like a randomization button or something on this thing. That'd be kind of cool to do. Anyway, this is Alieno. Really cool instrument. I would check it out even further. It's definitely cool to have in your arsenal. It's a free instrument if you have something to convert those 32-bit VSTs over. Very cool. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you on the next instrument.